Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a keto
fruitcake.
Yes, a fruitcake. So sit back and watch how I make this keto fruitcake with all the relevant ingredients. First up, 1 cup of stevia brown sugar and butter. Now I'm going to be whisking that or creaming that to a very pale colour. Keep beating that for about 5 minutes. Then add almond essence, vanilla essence and pistachio essence. And then we keep beating till we incorporate all of the above. Next, I'm going to add all the spices. There's cinnamon, which is about 1 teaspoon of each, cloves, nutmeg, ginger, and then we whisk and beat again till we incorporate all of the ingredients. Next up, add the eggs one at a time and then beat after each addition. At this point I couldn't be bothered, so I added all 3 in one go, and then again beat for about a couple of minutes to incorporate the eggs into the cream mixture. Next I add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and once again we're beating the cream mixture after each addition of ingredients. Next we have chopped pistachios, hazelnut, walnuts and sugar-free cranberries. I'm also going to add my homemade strawberry jam, but this of course is optional. Now we can start beating again. Once you've added the strawberry jam, if I can get the mixer to go. This is all about incorporating, mixing and making sure that now we add the almond flour, coconut flour, and this time I get a spatula and I mix the mixture all together. We don't want to overdo it. Now the final stage is pour the batter into a 9-inch lined and greased cake tin, making sure that we remove any air bubbles, then smooth it all over with a spatula. Now add some roasted almonds as a garnish and bake for 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius. 1 out of the oven, let it cool, and you are ready to enjoy some low-carb fruitcake. Thank you for watching.